My dear students, viewers, Namaskar, Jai Hind. I myself, Markandeya, once again appeared before you, but not to produce an academic episode, only to congratulate your marvelous results in CBSE 10th board examinations. My dear students, your outstanding, extraordinary performance in these board exams saturated my heart and mind with a great level of divine flavor of joy and pleasure. My dear students, you earned legendary academic scores. You created a difference and made us proud. Some of our students of Shivam Convent, New Bypass Road, Patna, grabbed, earned a bit more than 99% marks. Wishing you heartfelt congratulations. I salute your well-deserved results. My dear students, you must be aware about this fact. These board examinations are only a halt, not a station or destination. So I advise you to remain solid, concrete on the same academic pathway of Shivam Convent for your further senior secondary classes. My dear students, as a PGT in such marvelous institute, I promise you, you will be able to get competitive spirit and civil servant potentiality even in your senior secondary classes of 11 and 12. My dear students, must be remembered, without proper training such as I with my colleague can supply, you will remain a mere beginner. Come with us and will be a winner. My dear students, Shivam Convent believes, especially in senior secondary classes, not to put informations before students, but we are wholeheartedly dedicated to uplift your level of understanding so that you can be able to form your own ideas on any academic topics. My dear students, on this basis of educational track, once again I assure you, you will be entitled to get competitive spirit even in your 11th, 12th classes. That would be enough to make you comfortable or able to crack the entrance examination for your further advanced and professional vocational courses after 10+2. Whatsoever it may be. Central University Test Examination, National Defence Academy Examination, Staff Selection Commission's exams, Common Law Admission Test exams, whatsoever your choice, you will be very comfortable and able to crack these examinations with high level grades if you get 11th and 12th courses on the track of Shivam Convent. My dear students, don't forget, without proper training such as I with my colleague can supply, you will remain a mere beginner. Come with us and will be a winner. My dear students, once again I salute your well-deserved results and invite you to be entitled to get competitive and civil servant potentiality spirit even in your 11th and 12th classes. That's all. Many thanks to all of you. My dear students, you have created a difference. You earned legendary academic scores and made us all of pride. So once again, I wish you very congratulations for your extraordinary results. My dear students, one more thing would be put before you. I was completely aware about the shower of such gracious results in the campus of our esteemed institutions, Shivam Convent, because the commitment of Shivam Convent to excellence is unique and remarkable. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.